Hi Aquarians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for you. Let's see what the week has for you in terms of love, in terms of career, money, whatever you're looking for. Let's see. Alright, too many cards. You'll see the weather is really happy. Lot of lightning happening, lot of rain around here. Alright, Aquarians. So last I remember the May month has love for you. Some friendship building into love, into something which is more promising. What you don't see is a change of the whole situation, starting something new. So the Emperor card, the Eight of Swords and the Four of Wands, which is again a fulfillment card. Let me clarify the Emperor for you. The Emperor is, I feel it's your energy, somebody who is mature, somebody who wants something substantial in their lives. Alright, so Page of Swords, King of Swords, and the World again after shuffling. So which means that you will cut out a lot of bullshit this week. You don't want a lot of crowd around you. You don't want a lot of people around you. So Knight of Swords is something which is incoming, which is a young energy, which is a very no nonsense energy coming towards you. World is again a lot of change. The whole new cycle, a whole new cycle will end for a whole new cycle to begin, right? So I think this cycle will be ended by you. Like I said, you are into no nonsense zone where you don't want, Emperor is your energy, where you know what you deserve and you don't want anything less. So let's see, what are you feeling stuck about, or what is this your energy, is this somebody else's energy around you, the person who are feeling stuck? Yeah, so there is some third party situation wherein in one situation you have a lot of passion, in one situation you have a lot of love. So this is something which is keeping you stuck, that you're not able to decide which zone to take. But what you want is wish fulfillment, a commitment, a home, building a home with somebody, building a future with somebody. But what you're right now in a situation is a third party where you feel that both the parties are equally important to you. Both the parties, one person brings a lot of passion, a lot of physical passion in your life. The other person, there's a lot of love that you have for this person. But again, that's why you're feeling stuck right now. What to do, where to go, what to decide. Let me clarify. How will you achieve what you want? So yes, it clearly says that you're right now enjoying the third party situation, or you're enjoying all this that you have. But there's a lot of hidden emotions, hidden part, hidden things that you don't know about right now. You're not aware of this. And there are a lot of, let's say, you're pushing a lot of things away, because of, I feel what I'm getting right now is, you're not wanting to express and you're pushing some people away. You really want something which is light, which is party, which is going around having good time, but you're steering away from heavy emotions right now, Aquarians. You don't want heavy emotions, right? You want this thing, but if you want a commitment, if you want something long term, you have to express the emotions. You have to decide. But building a block around emotions and saying okay, everything is fine, I don't think that will serve you. Let us see what will you do in this situation. Let me take out 3 more cards to see what should you actually do and what will you actually do. So I feel that again you will decide between these two, which you're not able to. Two of Wands is here, Chariot is here, and Seven of Pentacles. So you have put in hard work in these relationships, and you want change. Definitely there is one person you have, you feel is worth the future, worth the commitment, worth all that you want to have and want to give. So you will definitely go towards one person. Let me clarify. Two of Wands, High Priestess, Page of Wands, the Judgment. So your angels are asking you to listen to your intuition when choosing this person. Your angels are asking you to go inside, see the change that you want to bring, the family that you want to have. Listen to your intuition. What does your intuition say, right? So when you listen to your intuition, I think you will be able to do justice to these two situations. I think you will be able to choose better. Let me take out the major arcana cards. Emperor again, Star card, wish fulfillment, hope, and the Hangman. So yes, so once you listen to your intuition, Aquarians, your perspective is bound to change. You will see things from a different perspective, and that will make your wish getting fulfilled much easier than it is right now, because you are in Emperor energy very strongly. You are very mature, very stable, and you know what you want in life. But again, because you're really wanting to not to dwell in those heavy emotions, that's why you're not able to decide. But once you go inside and see and listen to your intuition, I think you'll be able to get this wish fulfillment very soon. So let us take some love messages. Let us take some love messages. So what I get is love is the reason. Love doesn't have to mean near. Those you love you. So I think the person that you're drawn to is somebody who is long distance, who you feel practically not possible because this person is not here, but this person is perfect, right? I feel this is the reason that you're probably pushing them away, or you're probably not able to decide. I feel they love you equally. The love is the reason binding you both, and love doesn't have to mean near. So in this situation, in this lockdown situation, COVID situation, everywhere, if you feel that you're not able to meet them, so you don't know whether you will be able to carry this or no, but I think you should just give it some time, because everything is long distance right now, everything is online right now, doesn't mean it's not real, right? Times have changed. So let's see how you can handle this situation. How you can handle the situation, Aquarians. Sacrifice, truthful, satisfied. So I think you will be satisfied once you sacrifice the passion for the real love, true love. Once you're truthful with your emotions, with yourself and with the others, then you will be satisfied. Right now you're not satisfied because you're hiding emotions from your own self, from the others. You're not being truthful to your own self. You know what you want, you know what is real, but you're not being truthful. So once you are truthful, once you sacrifice a passion for love, you will achieve that satisfaction stage. You will achieve what you're wanting to achieve. This is what I get right now. So I think things look good. You know what to do. All the best, and we'll meet soon.